Hello, comrades. I'm glad to see you. I have a day off. That's great, cause the weather is rainy. I had a lot of phone calls from customers today. They are asking to cut the grass, so I have 10 schedule this week. I had just one order today, but I have it to my friend, not the man who works on me. I have a friend, he is also cuts the grass. I will not take percentage of this order. My starter is delivered to the shop. I'm going to take it. So, here it is, new starter. I should find time to go to car service and replace it. Starter costs $50. Good morning, friends. It's a new day. The weather is cloudy. I have two orders. Today I'm going to work with my best friend. Now I am going to have a look on my two orders. First is 5 minutes away, second is in 20 minutes. I've just come. Let's go and watch. Hello. Let me show you what should do. Let's go. You should cut the grass until the Christmas tree? You're right. There are garden and bathhouse. Okay. When will you start? On Tuesday. Okay, let's go inside. My granny needs to memorize you because I will not be at home on Tuesday. Granny, it's Max. He will cut the grass. Memorize him and don't be afraid when he'll come. Okay, granddaughter. How much does it cost? I guess it's about 17, maybe a little bit more. I need to count the square. I'll pay you 27. Alright, I'll cut in front of the fence and that place. Okay, I got it. Goodbye. Goodbye. Well, I want to say I like this kind of customers. Instead of 17 she offered for 10 more. I'll do this order on Tuesday. That order is about 600 square yards. Now I'm going to watch another order. I'll start that order tomorrow. Well, I'm here. I don't know where should I park my car. I guess it's here. I'll take phone. Now I'm going to out on boots cause my sneakers will be wet. I need to call to customer cause there is not number on the house. I don't know where the house is. Hello. You called me about cutting the grass, didn't you? Yes, it's me. Come on in. My name is Ola. I'm Max. Let me introduce you, Alexander. He will show you everything. Hello, I'm Max. Nice to meet you. Hello, Alexander. Likewise. You should cut the grass here until the fence and other side the house. Okay. Here is barn and there is birch. I'll show you. Here is a bathhouse and bushes. I see the borders. I memorized. I've been living here for 40 years. But now I live in Moscow, but I try to come here often. I see. You also should cut the grass behind the fence until the road. Here is the border. Okay, I got it. You should cut the grass, the territory of my neighbor. She is not here now. She asked me to show you the area. Alright, let's see. How much do I owe you? I take $3, maybe $4 for 120 square yards. It depends on the grass. My neighbor's territory is 1,800 square yards. How much does it cost? It's about 50. Okay, You should cut the grass in front of the fence until the road. When will you start? Tomorrow. I'll come with my colleague. Okay, we will not be here. When you'll finish, send me photos. I'll send you the money. Well, no problems. I'll count square and tell you the final price. Okay, I've got everything. Goodbye. Deal. Goodbye. So guys, you can notice that I am already in my friend's car. That car is Niva. We are in a gas station. I shoot down the tank. Okay. Blogger Max. Let me introduce Nick. Here we go. Hey friends, this village is far from town. We were driving through the forest. Now we need to find the house. Unfortunately, we don't have any number on the houses. Nick is trying to find the house using a map. The woman has just come out and called us. Hello, the road is awful, you know? Hello, yes, it's true. We have been driving for 2 hours. Yes, the road is terrible, but you have done it quite good. Alright, show us where should we cut the grass. Yes, let me show you. You should cut the grass on that area. What is square of your area? It's just 1500 square meters, but without the house it's only 1300 or 1500 square yards. The grass is high here. Talking about the price, it's 4000 rubles or $50. Okay. We will change our clothes and start. We change our clothes. Now we are ready to start. You can see what tools we use. These are low trimmers. We set new grass cutting metal disc. So friends, we have just finished. We have also cut the grass behind the fence. As you remember, we agreed on $50, but the woman gave us tips. It means $65. That's very good, because the area was difficult. A lot garbage in the grass, tin cans, metal packs, stones and pieces of wood. We are going to second order. The square is 2400 yards. It's 4 p.m. I guess we will come by 6 and finish by 8. It doesn't stop us. We can work for all night. It's Nick's joke. Look at that. The roads are terrible here. By the way, you can see unique plant. It calls hogweed of Sosnovsky. It grows almost everywhere here. It's very dangerous plant. If the juice of the plant gets on your skin, it will chemical burn. It heals for a long time. Sometimes we have to cut it, but it is expensive. It grows fast. After a month, it's gonna be about 2 meters. Friends, we have come to second order. It's 6 p.m. So, let's see what we should do. We should cut all the grass on that area. There are 3 seedlings of trees, so we should be careful. Nick will cut the grass with metal disc. I will use a trimmer line. Unfortunately, it's going to rain. I hope it won't bother us. I think we need 2-3 hours for work. Anyway, I'll keep you informed. When we will finish, I tell you everything. Good morning, guys. We finished late yesterday. It was dark. That's why I didn't shoot anything. So, here is my report. We finished our work around quarter to 9 p.m. It means we have been working for 2 hours and a half. We earned 7,000 rubles or $75. We had two orders and each of us earned $65 for those orders. We've been working 5 hours and it means that we earned $13 an hour. Now we are going for the order that I saw yesterday. Let me remember you. The square of area about 7,000 square yards. I will turn on my camera when we come and show you. We have just come. It's 11 a.m. We should cut the grass from that house to that house, from the start of the road till the end of the fence. I think we will finish by 5 p.m. My trimmer is broken. We came back home. I will fix it, but I have another trimmer. It's old, but it helped me to fix my trimmer. I don't know if we can cut the grass because of force majeure. It's 1 p.m. already. We managed to cut only 500 square yards. We fixed the trimmer and now we are returning to order. We'll come by 2 p.m. So, we are here. It's 2:30. It's time to change our clothes. I want to show you the process of work and our past. We cut the grass. It's 1,800 square yards. We cut here a bit. Now we are going to cut here. There is a lot of work to do. Nick did his work not so good here. There is still the grass. It should be fixed. Otherwise, customer will not pay for that. So guys, we did only the half. Time is around 6. I'll take some photos for customer. Now we're going to cut the grass in front of the fence. Then we'll go to neighbor. We should cut the grass here, the border still, the fence right there, where you can see toilet and barn. So let's go to work. We have just finished. It's 20 past 8. It's twilight already. We earned 16,000 rubles or $180. It means 15 an hour. That's all for today. I had a lot of work. That means work will be difficult and salary will be higher. We have all summer for work. Thank you for watching me. I wish you all the best. Call it luck and subscribe my channel and my Instagram. It's gonna be great for me. See you tomorrow.